Hey, what's up, everybody? Just wanted to do a quick demo on my Toyota site. Some of the copy that I changed around to make an HTML page, and also if you want to change that image so it's clickable to your site and get rid of the no robots overlay. Okay, let's dig in real quick. First of all, let's attack the header image. So I'm going to go to my Phantom folder, and this is my upload folder. And let's go to our header.php. Going to open it up with Notepad. Now this is going to be, I'm going to do a demo here. A couple people asked if I could show them how to make that image, whatever overlay image, clickable. And right here is my overlay image. Okay, usually ends up on 102, line 102. Now to make that clickable, to go to your whatever money site you have, it's pretty easy. And even if you don't know HTML, you need to add, let's just say we're going to copy and paste just to make it easy. This is a link right here. It's going to take you to home. This A to A. This is an open tag. This is some text. That's a close tag. Now we can substitute, instead of text there, we can substitute an image. And this is, we're going to use this right here. This is going to be going to, I want to put this as my money site. And I'm going to make this image clickable. So let's just do this real quick. I'll show you what to do. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to put it right here. My money site isn't actually this right here, but it is .com. So I'm just going to change this to .com. Okay. Now I need to also put a close tag here. So my close tag is going to be this close A. And I can put that right there. That's going to make that image clickable now. I've got ToyotaLongBeach.com image instead of text, and I've got the close tag right there. That will make that a clickable image. You just have to have open, and you have to have a close. That's all you got to do. Now let's attack this HTML. So for instance, my Long Beach site, every time I generate an image, I generate a page, Phantom goes out and creates this auto-generated page, and I have this HTML in here. So here's my page, and it looks like a legit site if somebody slides down. Every link, every image, everything here clicks to my money site. And down at the bottom is my perfectly SEO text with YouTube injects going on. Looks like it usually puts about 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Oh man, a whole lot. But Google loves, YouTube videos, so it's all the better. And if somebody gets down this far, they're probably gonna think, oh, whoa, man, maybe the website's broken or something. But everything on here clicks to a money site. So anytime I click on, oh, this is a click to call right here. So so this goes down. This will go to a special page onto Toyota Sequoias. So, anyways, so let's get into this. Let me show you what I'm going to do here. I've got some. First, let me show you the template theme. This is the theme that I bought, and it's only one page. It is which one is it? I think it's in this folder. Yeah, here we go. Elements Auto Club Dealer. It is actually only one of many of the HTML files that were in here. I only chose home-2.html to use as my thing. So if I open this, it's going to look very similar. It's missing some stuff because, of course, the images I replaced, but you kind of recognize what's going on here, don't you? Now I did take some stuff out, and the reason why I went with this HTML theme was because it was easy to edit. So let's just take a quick look at this, what it looks like in HTML editor. So I want to open this with Notepad+. One reason I chose this was because it was very well documented. Here's a switcher and switcher. See, everything is very well documented. Nav class B, it's my navigation. Here's the slider. So if there's anything I need to find, I can always find it or delete it using these different sections. So, and then of course here's my text. All I gotta do is change it. I've got my images in here. There's my folder. There's my 2 folders and my image that I have to replace. So it was actually pretty easy to pick through and find what I needed, and also it's easy to delete some stuff because I didn't want some of this stuff. Like for instance, I wasn't going to have this searchable, and I wasn't going to have it go to another, whatever HTML site. So I just deleted this whole section. I kept this, kept that. So there's a lot of things I just kind of experimented with. So let me show you how to do this. I'm going to include in here what I gave to my virtual assistant, basically step by step on what to do. So I had him upload the contents of the new HTML folder that I gave him up to the root directory of whatever he was doing. So let's go to that, and I'll show you what we're uploading. So I have this copy to Phantom site right here, and this contains all of those, different assets. There's all my images I went in and changed, and all these other things, the CSS, the fonts, the JavaScript, the media that makes all that, the whistles and buzzers happen on the site. All my images I just put in here, and they're all, tied together, properly put. I just found out where they were. So that I just kind of made it work. I have this copy and paste.php. This is the final HTML code that I wanted him to copy to the header.html, header.php. So here's my header.php, the one that we just got through playing with. This is about exactly how it comes out of Phantom. Here's my copy and paste. So I've got this marked as, I included the rest of this just to make it easy for him. But basically, this is what I wanted him to copy and paste. So all I really had to do was grab this text right here, well, HTML, a little bit, and I make sure to leave those bottom navigation codes. So let's go to my header.php and see right here to right there. I want to get rid of that, and I want to replace that with my HTML, leaving, of course, these lines of code right here, which right here. Well, let's see. That's in my other one. I want to leave these lines of code right here. So let's replace that real quick. So header.php, paste. There's my lines of code I kept in there. Here's my HTML. And here is the start of Phantom up here. Okay, so I'm going to save that, and that's what I'm going to upload as my header.php. Okay, now there's another thing I need to do. I need to get rid of that no robots. I just didn't want to have that because everything on this website is all clickable. Everything goes to a page on the money site, okay, which I have yet to finish because I just got done with school, so I was kind of busy. But everything goes to that money site. So let's go ahead and open that up. I got my Toyota.xyz, and you can either do this in cPanel or you can do it before you upload. So I'm looking for, let's read our instructions. Go to root folder, open edit footer.html. So I want to edit footer.html. And right here. And let's edit with Notepad. Okay, so in our instructions it says to delete the first 6 lines, which I like the way Notepad ties these together. We're going to go from div tag to div tag. So this is your norobots.gif, and this is what causes it to pop up. So if you just take and delete this, and then I say make sure not to leave a blank line up there, like that, and then save it, you're good to go. And you upload this. Let's see, and you upload your header and copy your HTML, copy your upload stuff there, and you're good to go. So we've changed this file, we've changed that file, and then we upload. Good to go. That's really all you need to do, is those few things. And then you end up with, you know, your HTML site like this. And, you know, I don't know if this is appealing to you. I just was kind of trying to do a workaround, so I didn't have the no robots GIF. I wanted to have something more inviting, something that looked legit, something that was very clickable. So anything you click, this is a call. If you're on a mobile, it's a click to call code. Same with this click to call code. I wanted to have it be mobile friendly. I wanted to have it fast, which HTML page is pretty fast. And that was kind of what I was shooting for. So anyways, that's kind of all I did. Not sure if there's anything else anybody wants explained, but basically I just spent my time doing my my due diligence and got my images, you know, off Google, you know, snatched my images, all these right here, you know, kind of put this all together. So and all these go back to my money site. So that's about it. That's kind of all I did. Now, one thing I did do is I chose, I've got one or two Toyota dealerships I'm going to target. First of all, just want to grab their sales department and service department hours. That's pretty standard for auto places. In this area, there's probably about 12 dealerships within 10-mile radius and about 20 within a 25-mile radius. So I've got a pretty good chance of landing a customer. I haven't had time yet just because I've been so busy with school and stuff. So anyways, that's about it. Kind of a quick walkthrough. I'll go ahead and upload all these files and upload the video for you guys.